Good day, everyone. We are often told that social media connects us. We think this because we can send message to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. But I want you to think for a moment and ask yourself this question. Are we truly connected or just constantly online? Look around you. How many times have you seen your friends sitting together but not talking, just scrolling? We may be close in distance but far in attention. If social media connects us, why do we feel ignored, lonely, and unheard? Social media is also said to improve communication, but words on social media have no tone and no feelings. One message can be misinterpreted. Fake news travel fast than the truth. Instead of bringing us together, social media often brings us arguments, fear, and separation. Social media also tell us how to look, how to act, and how to live. We compare our real lives to Photoshop pictures and perfect posts. Many of us feel pressured, insecure, and not good enough. It's that what connection is supposed to feel like. The problem isn't social media, but the problem is when it becomes the controller of our lives. Real connection happens when we speak to each other in the same room, when we listen without distraction, when we care without filters. So I ask you again, is social media really connecting us or is slowly replacing real connection? Choose wisely, look up from your screen, choose real people, choose real connection. Thank you.